Hello everybody, welcome to the class. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss one new topic of software engineering, that is customer relationship management or CRM. Customer relationship management or CRM is an approach to manage a company's interaction with current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about customers' history with a company to improve business relationships with customers, especially focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. One important aspect of the CRM approach is the systems of CRM that compile data from a range of different communication channels, including a company's website, telephone, email, live chat, marketing materials, and more recently, social media. Through the CRM approach and the systems used to facilitate it, businesses learn more about their target audiences and how to uh, best cater to their needs. Now, coming to the types of CRM, first of all, there is strategic type. Strategic CRM is concentrated upon the development of a customer centric business culture. Next, the operational CRM. The primary goal of customer relationship management systems is to integrate and automate sales, marketing, and customer support. Therefore, these systems typically have a dashboard that gives an overall view of the three functions on a single customer view, a single page for each customer that a company may have. The dashboard may provide client information, past sales, previous marketing efforts, uh, s- and more. Summarizing all of the relationships between the customer and the firm. Operational CRM is made up of three main components: Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and service automation. Salesforce automation works with all stages in the sales cycle, from initially entering contact information to converting a prospective client into an actual client. It implements sales promotions analysis, automates the tracking of a client's account history for repeated sales or future sales or coordinate sales, marketing, call centers, and retail outlets. It prevents duplicate efforts between a salesperson and a customer and also automatically tracks all contacts and follow ups between both parties. So, this is Salesforce automation. Next one, marketing automation focuses on easing the overall marketing process to make it more effective and efficient. CRM tools with marketing automation capabilities can automate repeated tasks. For example, sending out automated marketing emails at certain times to customers or posting marketing information on social media. The goal with marketing automation is to turn a sales lead into a full customer. CRM systems today also work on customer engagement through social media. There is also service automation. Service automation is the part of the CRM system that focuses on direct customer service technology. Through service automation, customers are supported through multiple channels such as phone, email, knowledge bases, ticketing portals, FAQs, and more. Next one um, is the analytical CRM. The role of analytical CRM systems is to analyze customer data collected through multiple sources and present it so that business managers can make more informed decisions. Analytical CRM systems use techniques such as data mining, correlation, and pattern recognition to analyze the customer's data. These analytics help improve customer service by finding small problems which can be solved, perhaps by marketing to different parts of a consumer audience differently. For example, through the analysis of a customer basis buying behavior, a company might see that this customer base has not been buying a lot of products recently. After scanning through this data, the company might think to market to the subset of consumers differently in order to best communicate how this company's products might benefit this group specially or specifically. Next type of CRM is collaborative CRM. The sorry, the primary aim of the CRM systems is to incorporate external stakeholders such as suppliers, vendors, and distributors, and share customer information across groups or departments and organizations. For example, feedback can be collected from technical supports calls, technical support calls, which could help provide directions for marketing products and services to that particular customer in the future. Next one is customer data platform. A customer data platform or CDP is a computer system used by marketing departments that assembles data about individual people from various sources into one database with which one software systems can interact. As February 2007, where there were about 20 companies selling such systems and revenue for them was around 300 million US dollars. Next, the components of CRM. The main components of CRM are building and managing customer relationship through marketing, observing relationships as they mature through distinct phases, managing these relationships at each stage, and recognizing that the distribution of value of a relationship to the firm is not homogeneous. When building and managing customer relationships through marketing, firms might benefit from using a variety of tools to help organizational design, incentive schemes, customer structures, and more to optimize the reach of its marketing campaigns. Through the acknowledgement of the distinct phases of CRM, businesses will be able to benefit from seeing the interaction of multiple relationships as connected transactions. The final factor of CRM highlights the importance of CRM through accounting for the profitability of customer relationships. Through studying the particular spending habits of customers, a firm may be able to dedicate different resources and amounts of attention to different types of consumers. CRM systems includes data warehouse technology used to aggregate transactions information to merge the information with CRM products and to provide key performance indicators. Then opportunity management, which helps the company to manage unpredictable growth and demand and implement a good forecasting model to integrate sales history with sales projections. CRM systems that track and measure marketing campaigns over multiple networks, tracking customer analysis by customer clicks and sales. Some CRM software is available as software as a service, that is SaaS, delivered via internet and accessed via web browser instead of being installed on a local computer. Businesses using the software do not purchase it, but typically pay a recurring subscription fee to the software vendor. For small businesses, a CRM system may consist of a contact manager system that integrates emails, documents, jobs, faxes, and scheduling for individual accounts. CRM systems available for specific markets, legal or finance, frequently focus on event management and relationship tracking as opposed to financial return on investment or ROI. CRM systems for e-commerce focused on marketing automation tasks like cart rescue, engage users with email personalization. Then, customer centric relationship management or CCRM is a nascent sub-discipline that focuses on customer preferences instead of customer leverage. CCRM aims to add value by engaging customers in individual interactive relationships. Systems for non-profit and membership-based organizations help track constituents, fundraising, sponsors, demographics, membership levels, and membership directories, etc. CRM not only indicates to technology and strategy but also indicates to an integrated approach which includes employees' knowledge, organizational culture to embrace the CRM philosophy. Next is the customer benefits. With customer relationship management system, customers are served better on day-to-day process. With more reliable information, their demands for self-service for companies will decrease. If there is less need to interact with the company for different problems, customer satisfaction level increases. These central benefits of CRM will be connected hypothetically to the three kinds of equity that are relationships, value, and brand, and in the end to customer equity. 8 benefits were recognized to provide value drivers. Okay, that is, they are improved customer services. In general, customer would have some questions, concern, or request. CRM services provide the ability to a company for producing, allocating, and managing requests or something made by customers. For example, call center software which helps to connect a customer to the manager or person who can best assist them with their existing problem. In one of the CRM abilities that can be that is it is the one of the CRM facility abilities that can be implemented in to increase efficiency. Next, increased personalized service or one-to-one service. Personalizing customer service or one-to-one service provides companies to improve understanding and gaining knowledge of the customer and also to have better knowledge about their customers' preferences, requirements, and demands. Next one is the third one, that is responsive to customer needs. Customer situations and needs can be understood by the firms focusing on customer needs and requirements. Next one is customer segmentation. In CRM, segmentation is used to categorize customer according to some similarities such as industry, job, or some other characteristics into similar groups. Although these characteristics can be one or more attributes, it can be defined as subdividing the customers based on already known good discriminators. Next one is improve customization of marketing. Meaning of customization of marketing is that the firm or organization adapt and change its services or product based on presenting a different and unique product or services for each customer. Next one is multi-channel integration. Multi-channel integration shows the point to co-create of customer value in CRM. On the other hand, a company's skill to perform multi-channel integration successfully is heavily dependent on the organization's ability getting together customer information from all channels and incorporate it with other related information. Next one is time saving. CRM will let companies to interact with customers more frequently by personalized message and communication way, which can be produced rapidly and matched on a timely basis. And finally, they can better understand their customers and therefore look forward to their needs. The last one or the final one is improve customer knowledge. Firms can make and improve products and services through the information from tracking customers' behavior to customer tastes and need. CRM could contribute to a competitive advantage in improving firms' ability of customer information collecting to customize products and services according to customer needs. Next one is customer profile. Customer or consumer profiles are the essence of the data that is collected alongside core data, namely address, company, etc., and processed through customer analytics methods, essentially a type of profiling. A customer is abstracted to information that sums up consumption habits so far and projects them into the future so that they can be grouped for marketing and advertising purposes. Now, improving how to improve CRM within a firm. If we look into this, then we can see consultant argue that it is important for custom companies establishing strong CRM system to improve their relational intelligence. According to this argument, a company must recognize that people have many different types of relationships with different brands. One research study analyzed relationships between consumers in China, Germany, Spain, and United States with over 200 brands in 11 industries, including airlines, cars, and media. This information is valuable as it provides demographic, behavioral, and value-based customer segmentation. These types of relationships can be both positive and negative. Some customers view themselves as friends of the brands, while others as enemies, and some are mixed with a love hate relationship with the brand. Some relationships are distant, intimate, or anything in between. So these are the basic idea regarding the CRM or customer relationship management. I hope you have understood the topic. If you have any question, you can post it in the comment section. You can post your query in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.